Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I have the pleasure of showing you around this huge specification 2016 66 plate Range Rover Sport HSE. Now the car itself is finished in Santorini black metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours on these vehicles. We've got a full exterior satin black package, so coming through to the front bumper. Normally your lettering, that'll come in silver, so that's all in the black. Your front grille's in the black. Looking then to the lower environments, your fog lamp surrounds there in the black, and also your lower environment there. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front and rear parking sensors. We're riding on these larger, lovely 22-inch alloy wheels with the red Brembo brake calipers within there, riding on lovely tyres. We've got more black package on the bonnet, on the wings, on the mirror caps. Then you've got gloss black all around your window surrounds. We've got privacy glass to the rear. This vehicle comes with a panoramic opening sunroof, which is a lovely thing to have, full Pan-Am roof. Coming through to the back then, gloss black trims follow through. So the lettering again is in the black. This plinth along the boot, that's in the black as well. Looking through to the boot, obviously electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides up. We've got split folding rear seats. We've got a full-size Space Saver spur wheel, which is a rare thing to have on one of these, and a fantastic factory option. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back there. Obviously we've got tow bar down there, which is looks like it's never been used. Bodywork wise, a lovely thing. All the panels are in nice straight order. All the paintwork's in nice condition as well. All the alloys are free from any marks. The calipers are nice bright red. And then inside is an ebony black part perforated leather. So driver and passenger gets three-way memory. These are heated front seats. You get a heated steering wheel as well. Meridian Sound System. You've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Looking through to the back seats, we've got 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3. Pulling this down, we've got our central cup holders. Looking at the actual seats themselves, they're in fantastic order. We've got seat heating for the back as well. So as you can tell, you've got the buttons there, rear vents, 12-volt power outlet in the bottom there for your phone charging. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. They're in nice order. So we'll jump inside, we'll start the car up. So the vehicle is supplied with both keys. And once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So we've got the heated wheel there, fantastic for those cold mornings. We've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your volume and media controls. Obviously flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 43,571 miles. Now straight away we've got the digital cockpit on this vehicle, so clicking through you've got all the different features up on there. So we've got favourites, sources, vehicle information, vehicle settings, display, trip computer. So if we press through to display, full screen map, that will bring your satellite navigation up on there. So as you can imagine, as you're driving along, really easy to follow. And the full screen up there is adjustable. Coming through to the centre display then, you've got the newer style infotainment system. So pressing through, we've got our satellite navigation on there, full DAB radio, so you've got all the extended channels. We've got our Bluetooth phone, which is nice and easy to connect. Now with your Bluetooth phone, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you've got web browser which works off your mobile data, you've got live information, valet mode, contacts, voice command, that's all on there. Coming down then, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Gearbox, obviously you've got all your different selectable driving modes. We're on air suspension, so you can lift the suspension, you can lower the suspension to reduce drag, obviously when you're on the motorway. increasing your fuel efficiency. 12 volt power outlet in there. Central armrest. You've got individual armrests for driver and passenger, which are fully adjustable. Within there you've got 2 USB ports, HDMI and a micro SIM card input for your phone. All the blind there. So this opens fully, it can tilt, and then obviously you've got the power blind, so if you want to close everything up, you can do. But a lovely example. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. Just a very nice, genuine example. So, if you'd like anything further on our vehicle, if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like some finance quotes, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointment, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.